We're getting what could be the highest dim sum in town, on our way to the city's tallest point, before we nail down Hong Kong's oldest woodworking hipster. I hope you enjoyed our trip through Saigon. Today we're going through New Toys East at possibly the highest dim sum restaurant I've ever been to in Hong Kong.
Saturday 好啲，Sunday 超多人。
Famed for its watercress and its mountain spring water, which is used to cook everything. Brews your tea, it's in the food, it's good for you, apparently. Choi Lung restaurant sits 300 meters above sea level and is a prime example of do-it-yourself dim sum. Do-it-yourself tea, do-it-yourself cutlery and dish rinsing, do-it-yourself ordering and paying. Sheesh. Making tea with all the cheer that comes at, what time is it right now? This first one is like glutinous rice with pork deliciousness. It's true, it's a long way to go for boiled vegetables, but God, this is so fresh.
因為有雲海，有雲海我哋日出靚啊！依度出名就係舊式咯，香港係好少呢啲舊式嘅茶樓㗎啦，已經咁啊依度就出名。
係我叫曾太啦，就係呢間茶樓嘅老闆嚟嘅。呢度有30幾年㗎啦。而家你出邊自己做點心係好少有㗎啦。起碼就係保持翻嗰個水準，就係自己做嘅點心，全部師傅自己做。同埋啲人中意上嚟飲係山水茶啦，沖啲茶甜啲啦，靚啲啦。
So somewhere there's some Chinese dude or girl who basically went around to all the poultry farms in the US and bought out all the chicken feed because they're just being thrown out anyways. And he freezes them and sends them to Asia and he sells them for profit. That's one hell of a business plan. Finally, Peter rounds out his meal with freshly made tofu fa.
Homemade. Yeah, so fresh.
Fully fueled, we ascend to the top of Daimo San, sharing a skinny strip of pavement with hikers and bikers. How long does it take to ride up to the top?
Around 1 hour.
Is this one of the harder rides in Hong Kong?
Should be. Because that is the highest mountain in Hong Kong.
How often do you do it?
Not too often, maybe. For me, only one time per month.
After taking in the view, we enter the very interior of the new territories to see a man about some wood. We're up here in the new territories at Chi Ki Carpentry Workshop. Basically, they make chairs, furniture, but they also have these do-it-yourself tutorial workshops, which are a big hit amongst locals.
我個名叫何浩權，我今年70歲啦。我哋自己木廠咧就有70年歷史嘅啦。即係木業呢行咧，根本咧就70樣之中咧，整個份量都好重嘅。即係好希望能夠保存呢啲咁嘅行業咁咯。
To Mr. Wong, it's all about thoughtful reuse. When Hong Kong tore down a beloved ferry pier, Wong took it upon himself to give second life to its super hard wood pilings, fashioning the barnacle-encrusted pillars which conveyed so many locals over the years to benches. Such a hipster.
Yeah, really fun.
But you screwed up 3 times, so you're like the furthest behind.
Yeah, I think they are very nice. They give me a lot of food and let me try.
So they're not charging you extra?
No.
What have you learned about carpentry? Measure twice, cut once. Right? It's been a really interesting, off-the-beaten-path day in New Territories East. Join us next week when we head up the West End. See you then. Bumpiest ride ever!